What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on Link. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. Right now, I already have a long position on this coin, and in my trading group, we opened this long position on this lower price. It was exactly 14.37 because we were speculating here on a huge bearish order block breakout, also support confirmation, and a bullish volume increase. Right now, I'm expecting we are gonna test liquidity in this bearish order block area. So I still think there is room for a pump around like 6 to like 19% of a net market. So this will be my main take profit target area. From my entry, we are currently up around like 10%, 10.4% of a net market, so already we are having here a nice profit, but it's important to say that the RSI indicator is already slightly overbought because we are on like 87.6. I know that this is on the 4-hour chart, and if I'm gonna switch on a daily time frame, we are not that heavily overvalued. So I still think that in the long time perspective, there is definitely a room for some pump. You can see that also on a daily time frame, we are starting to have here some important resistance areas. So keep in mind this before you are entering any new long position. If you are thinking about, for example, opening a long position right now, then me personally, this is like not the best idea, because on the current levels, I simply don't know where I can place my entry. Of course, I can place it like under this previous low and last take profit target, perhaps above this bearish order block area, which will give me a trade with risk reward ratio 2.95. But for me right now, the best stop loss is under this bullish order block area, which will give me a stop loss around 15.6% of a net market, which is like not a good, in my opinion, stop loss, or like not good risk reward ratio if we are gonna compare it to that potential profit. But don't worry, in this video I will show you another exact setups that you can take. We will be focusing on a lower time frame, and if you, for example, don't want to miss out on my next trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. But guys, keep in mind that right now on my Discord there are a lot of scammers that are pretending to be me. So if you will ever receive a message that is from the account that looks like mine, keep in mind that that's a scam, and I will never contact you on my own. So yeah, be please careful. So let's now get back to the exact setups that we can take. As I said, so on the 1-hour chart, I am watching here one. So to open here a long position, we are having here actually two ways how we can enter. First one will be to speculate for a liquidity grab under this first bullish order block, which is between levels 15.35 and 15.23. Or the second opportunity will be in case of a liquidity grab under the second bullish order block, so under let's say level approximately 14.86, something like that. In both of these trading setups, you want to wait for a liquidity grab and then a support confirmation in that bullish order block area. So first setup, well, let's say to be valid, there needs to be a liquidity grab under and then a support confirmation here. In this case, your stop loss, so you want to place it under the low that we will create during the fake out, because that's the best setup that you can get according to technical analysis. And last take profit targets in this case, well, I will be aiming for like something around $18 mark, something like that, which will give me a trade with potential risk reward ratio 10.42, which is in my opinion really great. Keep in mind that this is not gonna be your final risk reward ratio, because you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take like under this previous important highs, under, for example, $16 mark, this will be next important psychological resistance, under $17 mark, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be around 7, 6, something like that, which is in my opinion still really great. Another potential trade will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under the second bullish order block. The setup here is exactly the same. So after support confirmation, entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block area, stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out. Let's assume again around 1.8 to like 2% of a net market, and last take profit targets under $18 mark, which again give us risk reward ratio slightly better this time, but it will be around 11, which is again really great trade. Maybe you are thinking if it's like a good opportunity if we are gonna retest again this price, because you can see 14.37 is my original entry to this point. If there will be that liquidity grab with a support confirmation, I might be adding to this long position, but for now this is the only entry that I'm having. And in my opinion, no, because if we are gonna get back again to like these lower prices, we will lose this bullish momentum, which is super important for this trade. So liquidity grab and support confirmation is for me the lowest price that I am willing to get, or like willing to take to get into a long position, because on the lower, let's say, prices, we will get back again to this range, and that's something I don't want to see. And if we will take a look on a long-term analysis, then in my opinion this coin is looking really great, because from this low we are still in this bull market really up. We are still up around like 240% of a net market, which is, even after this huge dump, this is more than the normal altcoins are doing. So yeah, in the long-term perspective, this coin is looking really great. This coin is also really big, so there is, let's say, decent probability then that, for example, in the couple of months, if there will be a huge bull market, we can see, for example, something like ETF on this coin, something like this, which can absolutely skyrocket this price. So for me, the exact, let's say, long-term target for this coin is probably around, for example, 40 to like $50 mark, something like that, which is from a current point potential profit around 150 to like 200% of a net market. Of course, if there will be that link in ETF, we will probably get on that, on, let's say, much higher prices, for example, something around like 70 to like $90 mark, something like that. But also keep in mind that if we will have ETF on like every altcoin in like top 20, then the impact of these ETFs will definitely be lower. So if right now we will get like new 15 ETFs, the price target, or like the pump, is not gonna be that big. So yeah, just keep this in mind. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is the exact price that you are expecting this coin is gonna hit. If you want to know about all the trades that I'm taking, or if you simply want to copy my analysis, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. A link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.